Go on that side. Go on that side.
You guys confused the hell out of me. Oh my god, what? This is weird. Hey, I know, I'm so mad. I got so confused. I thought we were gonna be in the garage. I like opened the door to come in. And I see you guys like, oh shit! And he's all like, why'd you close the door? I was like, oh no. I don't like this.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Oh god. Come here. I'm gonna show something. What is this?
Hello.
Hey.
I'm wearing my own eyes. Oh my god, this is hey. Did you bring this? I love how you just brought like one friend, like one single.
Lorenzo, come here. Lorenzo.
Oh my god. It's hot in here though.
Now we gotta open up that one.
You guys are so lame.
What?
This is so dumb. So wait, we're not going to the rollers?
No, they're all scanning.
Yeah, I was like, why is she having a graduation party for like my 13th degree? So they are coming here then?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Wow.
They're coming.
Hey, be happy. I don't think we had a party here since Angelica's birthday.
I know.
The 7th birthday.
No, Tita. Bet is coming.
Hi, Tita. How are you?
Good.